Space is full of fascinating objects, from massive planets to tiny particles of dust. But three objects often get confused: meteors, asteroids, and comets. They might seem similar, but each has its own unique characteristics, origin, and impact on our solar system. In this video, we'll break down their differences, how they form, and what happens when they get close to Earth. Asteroids are rocky objects that orbit the Sun, mostly found in the asteroid belt between Mars and Jupiter. These space rocks range in size from tiny pebbles to massive objects hundreds of miles across. Some asteroids even have their own moons. Most asteroids are made of rock and metal, and they're considered the remnants of the early solar system, pieces that never formed into a planet. Scientists study asteroids closely because they hold clues to the history of our solar system, and may even contain valuable minerals for future space mining. Famous asteroids: Ceres, the largest asteroid classified as a dwarf planet; Vesta, one of the brightest asteroids visible from Earth; Eros, the first asteroid to be visited and landed on by a spacecraft. Unlike asteroids, comets are made of ice, dust, and rock. Think of them as giant, dirty snowballs from space. They originate in the Kuiper Belt and the Oort cloud, regions far beyond Neptune where icy bodies exist in deep space. When a comet gets close to the Sun, its ice starts to vaporize, creating a glowing coma and a long, bright tail. This is why comets often look spectacular in the night sky. Their tails always point away from the Sun due to solar wind. Famous comets. Halley's Comet, the most famous comet, is visible from Earth every 76 years. Comet Neowise, a bright comet, was last seen in 2020. And then there's Comet Hale-Bopp, one of the brightest comets of the 20th century. Meteors, meteoroids, and meteorites all refer to the same thing, but at different stages. Meteoroids are small space rocks, usually fragments of asteroids or comets floating in space. Meteors are what we see as a shooting star when a meteoroid enters Earth's atmosphere and burns up due to friction. Meteorites are meteors that survive their journey through the atmosphere and hit the ground. Meteor showers happen when Earth passes through a comet's debris trail, lighting up the sky with bright streaks. Famous meteor events. The Chelyabinsk meteor in 2013, a meteor exploded over Russia with the force of 30 atomic bombs. The Tunguska event in 1908, a massive explosion flattened over 800 square miles of Siberian forest, likely caused by an asteroid or comet. The Chicxulub impact, 66 million years ago, a giant asteroid impact that caused the extinction of the dinosaurs. Most meteors burn up in the atmosphere, but large asteroids and comets can cause massive destruction if they collide with Earth. Scientists track near-Earth objects, or NEOs, to predict potential impacts. NASA and other space agencies are working on planetary defense strategies, such as the DART mission, which successfully tested deflecting an asteroid by crashing a spacecraft into it. Could an asteroid or comet wipe out humanity? While the chances are low, it has happened before, and scientists continue to study ways to protect our planet. Understanding the differences between asteroids, comets, and meteors helps us appreciate the incredible diversity of our solar system. These objects hold secrets about the past, and may even shape our future. So, which one do you find most fascinating? Asteroids, comets, or meteors? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more space discoveries.